Welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on look number 3 using the Smoke&Mirrors Soft Glam palette. And yes, I am still loving this palette. It's from Five Below, if you didn't know. I wanted to give you guys some more suggestions of palettes you could use and substitute for this one. Maybelline Lemonade Craze, you could try that one. Maybelline Matte Bar, and also for this look in particular, Loreal's Peach Paradise palette. I hope that's helpful so you don't have to go out and look for this one. Also, there is Hard Candies, Blissful Nudes. Use what you have in your collection. So as always, we're priming our lids with the Milani Eyeshadow Primer, and I am picking up the Smoke&Mirrors Soft Glam palette. And the first shade in here we're going to use is Fling, and it's just a nice peach shade. We're going to be popping that in our crease on a using a fluffy crease brush, and just blend it. It's kind of like a blending brush as well. And I'm just going to just messily place that very quickly. We're just using it as a transition, and most of the shade will kind of fade away in a sense, so just for blending purposes. And we're going to take Henna, which I absolutely love this shade in this palette. That's why I think the L'Oreal Peach Paradise palette would be perfect to recreate this look. It has all similar shades that I used for this look. And I'm applying that in the crease as well, messily, but just slightly below Fling. And those are going to blend together seamlessly, so easy and effortlessly. So I'm taking Flashback and mixing it with Vibes, and that is going to give us a darker shade, but on the warmer side as well. And I really like that because at first we're working with some cool tones, but add a little bit of warmth to the outer corner. And I am just going in with the same fluffy brush. I am just wiping it off in between shades on a kind of beauty rag that I have, and that's what I'm doing. Also, I've been sick, so I sound nasally too, so excuse that. And after I've got that in the crease, we're going to do a little bit of blending. Lost a little bit of the shade there, but we're going to keep on working for now. So I'm taking that secondary kind of eyeshadow sticky base in the palette called Drama, and I'm applying that to the lid, and then I'm going to use this icy kind of white shade called Angelic for my lid on a small shader brush, and I'm going to press that in there to the secondary base, and I'm going to slightly bring it into the outer corner shade and into the crease, and that is also going in the inner corner there. So I'm just really packing that on, and surprisingly, if you tap off your brush, there isn't a lot of fallout with this palette, even though the eyeshadows are powdery. So once we have that placed, we're going to go back in with Flashback and Vibes and reapply to the outer corner to deepen that up, and we're going to start our blending process. And I really like showing you all the steps of reapplying shadows, blending, losing shade, going back and reapplying, because a lot of tutorials don't show that. And we're all about real life, you know, being realistic on my channel and how it really is. So I want to show you guys that we go back and apply colors to deepen them back up. We lose them when we blend, and you just got to keep working at it. So next up, we're taking SwetHeart, which is just a matte white shade in the palette. I'm applying that as my brow bone highlight on a super fluffy shadow brush. Mainly this brush is meant for creases, but I've been lazy and sick and didn't wash my makeup brushes, so I'm using what I have left. And we're just gonna blend that with Fling. And next up, we're taking Henna, but we are applying this to our lower lash line very messily, kind of just smoking it out a little bit. Without coming out smoky, we're just really dragging it down. And this is the Jordana's 12-hour eyeliner pencil, and I'm doing the upper rim, tightlining that. I'm using Loreal liquid eyeliner for the upper lash line, and just doing some small quick strokes and just a thin line. So this is the Jordana 12-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continuous Almond, and I wanted a nude white, kind of whited out, wide open kind of look to my waterline. So that's what I did there. And the mascara I'm using is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I believe is what it's called. I got it for Christmas. And lips, we're using the Velvet Mousse Hard Candy Lippy, and that's our finished look. And it's basically an orangey nude kind of shade. And yeah, our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought this look was kind of easy and makes you look really awake and put together, and I love how it looked. I hope you guys loved it too. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you guys so very much for continuing to watch and liking videos, commenting my videos. Thanks so much. It means so much to me. And stay tuned for more looks using the Smoke and Mirrors Soft Glam palette.